Okay, we are doing another inspection here, and I just want to do another video showing you this camera that I purchased that I'm absolutely thrilled with. Let's show it right here. This camera, I can't do a video of every house that I do, but as I stated in the previous videos, we do pre-sale inspections on the sewer lines here, and I'm just really impressed with this camera that I purchased. It is right here. 200 foot push rod. As you can see, we're in the basement. We started here at the stack, the cast iron stack. And one of the videos I showed you, we pushed about 149 feet out. Well, this thing, and that was a PVC line. This thing does great in PVC, cast iron, and clay. But what I want to do is I said I'd show you some little features of this. We're now looking at the screen, of course, but what I want to show you on this camera that's comparable to only the expensive ones that this can do. And I've tried everything from pro-built cameras, which I would pay $1,500, $1,700, $1,800 for. It didn't record, or if you can buy another device where it records audio, but none of them recorded video. I've tried sewer eye cameras, and of course, my standard was always rigid and general, mainly general. Most of my vehicles were stocked with general cameras because I really like those, but this thing is done absolutely fabulous with the quality of the push rod, being able to push it far out, with the quality of the picture, with the features of this thing. And let me just show you a couple, and I'll have to get to my job here. One thing I really like that you can only find with I know my phone is not taking that great of a video, that you can only find with cameras like I've spent $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 for a camera system, is this still shot. You see the icon right there that says camera, but this can actually, turn on the light here, this can actually take a picture. So with that, if you push OK right there, it just took a picture. So any bad spots I can do just like the other cameras do. I can take a picture. This distance counter I like too, but I have to remember to switch it over. It comes in meters, but you just push, it's a button you push right there. One button is to reset it, but this top button is to go from meters to, you'll see, to feet. So 3.4 meters on the right side of the screen. If I hit this button, it goes to feet. Like I said, I'm not going to make this a long, drawn-out video, but I have tried every camera that you can imagine. And what I would end up with all the time is my generals. And as I said, those are the ones I like. But since getting this thing, there is no other camera I will ever buy other than this thing. I have tried it. I've tested it over and over and over. I've jumped. I use a trap jumper to jump yard vent traps. Just phenomenal camera for under $3,000. There's nothing like this. I will stick with this camera until I retire. Let's see if we can get a close up. And the screen is great. The picture is absolutely fabulous on this one. But that is it. I will continue with my inspection, and then we'll have other videos to come showing you some of the other features of this camera. It's a really easy way if you have a problem with the head of the camera. You don't have to put it in the shop. You can just screw one camera head out, screw another one in. It is really an awesome camera. And I'm not a novice at this. I personally do 5 to 10 inspections per day with this camera, but enough said. I'll get to my job, and I will talk to you guys later.